Hello everyone, welcome back. Before we start the content of today's lesson, I would like to show you a quick thing about uploading the image. So remember last time we talked about uploading image and we store it at main resource static images and under this folder. So sometimes if you store the image here and it wouldn't refresh on the server side so that you can access it through the the link, just the URL directly. Say for example, no, not this one. So right now you can access it. That's because when this application is deployed, is stored in the target folder. Okay, I don't know why it's not shown here, but you can find through the content of the folder in my computer. Source, target, classes, static images. So let's just watch here. Right now there's one picture, and if I come here and upload another one, say a random one, submit. Okay, so you can see the picture right now is not updated, and if you come here, so there's only one picture showed up, and within this folder there's only one picture, right? That's why we can't access the newly updated picture. But if we just refresh, the new picture will come up, and you can see here we have the new picture in the target folder. And if we come back to my album, there we go, we have our picture. That is to say, we need actually to save the folder within this path. But the problem is, if you just save it here, every time you restart a server for the backend, this new deployed target will be replaced from the source. So one solution is that you save the picture in both this address and this address. Okay, that's the thing I want to talk about. And regarding the application, so far we have implemented login, register, add photo, and my album components, and we have partially done the home and photo list. And we can continue doing that on image detail and image comments, or finish this part. Let's just continue on the image detail so that we can see a new page. What does the image detail page look like? Okay, so let's get started. And bring up your Atom editor. We're gonna create a new component called image detail component.ts, and we're gonna import component and another one called input from Angular 2 core, and we're gonna import photo from the models photo and photo service as well. And well, we haven't had this one yet, so let's ignore that. User, and route parameters. Okay. And we will have our selector as image detail. Oops. Template URL. App components image detail component HTML, and we want to have a photo instance variable and like string variable and a user variable. Okay, and we have our constructor to define photo service, user service, and route parameters. Okay. Alright. So basically the point of this image detail component is that in the photo list, like photo list in the My Album page or in the home page, whenever a user clicks on an image, we'll jump to a image detail page to show a zoomed in image, and also we will show the comments about this image. Okay, that's basically the detail information of the image. And also within this image detail, the current user can click on like or unlike button to modify the content, I mean the number of likes about this picture. And also this current user can add comments to the current picture as well. So let's see how we can actually handle those behavior. Alright, so first let's write this line. So we haven't seen this route parameters before, and basically what it does is that from the previous page, when it was navigating to the current page, I mean in this component, okay, it will pass a parameter. We suppose that's the behavior, okay, and that will be the ID of the selected photo. That's the one user clicked on. Alright, and with this route parameters service, we can get the value of that passed parameter. Okay, that's how we actually link the detail of the image to the one that the user clicked. Okay, otherwise, how do you know which image detail to display, right? And because the ID value we got will be a string type, we need to use a parseInt method to change this string type to a number type. Okay, and then we can use the photo service to get the photo by ID from the photo ID. And it looks like we don't have this get photo by ID method defined yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's open our photo service.ts, and we're gonna define a new method. Copy from the get photo by user, and this one will be get photos. Well, get photo, not photos, because we are looking at only one photo. Photo ID, and it will be a number type. Okay, and of course we will change the URL, and here we will use photo ID instead of user. So that's the work for front end. And now bring up your Eclipse editor and open your photo resource. And here we are gonna add a request mapping to photo/photo ID, and method equals to request method dot post. And this one will be return a photo type. Add request body photo service dot find by photo ID Sorry, this one should be long, photo ID. And we haven't defined this service yet, so let's go to do that. First, from our DAO interface, again, we're gonna take advantage of this CRUD interface by directly using the field photo ID to let it grab the photo for us. Alright, and then we can come to the photo service interface, and then the photo service implementation. Okay, and then we can stop the server and then restart. We just let it run, come back to our Atom, open your image detail.component.ts. So we're gonna continue writing that. So sometimes, even though we have this get photo by ID, yeah, that's right. Alright, let's continue write that. Suppose we already got the photo as we need. What we'll do then is we're gonna use JSON.pass and JSON.pass again, JSON.stringify, photo, and dot underscore body, and then we use this dot user service dot get user by name, local storage dot get item, current user name. So we have seen this quite some time. We can make it a standalone method. If you guys want to, but for now, I'll just keep it like this way. Okay. And then suppose we got a user. We'll do JSON.pass, pass again, .stringify, user, underscore body, and we can check if this user liked photo list filter photo photo ID equals this photo ID. This like equals to unlike, else this like equals like. Okay, and then we're gonna print out the error here. Okay, so basically what it does here is we grab the user and we also grab the photo, and then we check if the users like the photo list contains this photo. That is to say, this photo has been liked previously by the user, and then we will change the like button to unlike. Okay, so if this photo hasn't been liked by this user previously, then we'll show the like button instead of unlike. So that's what it does here. Alright, let's stop this lesson right now. We will continue in the next one. See you guys in the next video. Bye.